Hey there, welcome back to Ayukashap YouTube channel, and today in this video I have installed LineageOS 24 based on Android 17 on my Redmi 4X. So how does it perform? Let's find out. So this is my Redmi 4X and it is about 9 years old. The same build of LineageOS 24 based on Android 17 will work on Redmi Note 3 as well, and that is about 10 years old. So how does it perform in this old devices? Let us first set up the ROM and then I will show you the features of it as well as the performance. As you can see, the setup does not take a lot of time as it is a vanilla build and it has only LineageOS setup processes. Now let me show you the about page of this ROM and then I will show you the Easter egg of Android 17. And this is the Easter egg of Android 17. You have to draw a circle and it will show you the Easter egg of Android 17. This is a vanilla build and it is very smooth. It is based on kernel 4.19. The battery backup of this ROM is perfect. Even considering the old health of the battery, it still performs very well. Everything in this ROM works perfectly fine. Fingerprint works perfectly, and as you know, LineageOS does not ship face unlock, so it is not there. And as you can see, even the QS panel is smooth. Now let's test the camera. As you can see, the camera app is bare bones, but it works fine and it captures almost all the details of the picture as well as the video. As you can see, the picture quality is fine and you can make out details. Overall, the ROM is perfect, but you cannot install GApps on top of it. So now let me show you how to install this ROM. I will provide the ROM link as well as the WRP in the description. As you know, I was in stock ROM, so I have to first boot the device into fastboot mode and then connect the device to the PC and type fastboot flash recovery.img, or basically twrp.img in this case, and then fastboot boot twrp.img. Next step is to format data by typing yes and then wiping these partitions. Then you have to go to advanced and then sideload option, and in PC you have to type adb sideload and the file path. The sideloading process may take about 5 to 10 minutes, so you have to wait. And to warn, you cannot flash GApps on top of it as the ROM will not boot. After the sideloading is completed, you can reboot the device into system. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content like this.